Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.